Vedic knowledge is not the question of research. We are doing research with our four imperfect senses. We have four defects. So we are doing research with our four defects. And when we search something with these four defects, that knowledge is considered as imperfect. Every human being have four defects: imperfect senses, propensity to cheat, surety of committing mistakes, and surety of being in illusion. So when we gain some knowledge with these four defects, that knowledge is considered as imperfect knowledge. Apart from this material world is controlled by three modes of material nature, which is mentioned in Bhagavad Gita: goodness mode, passion mode, and ignorance mode. These three modes is act as rope which ties every human being, which is also known as conditioned soul. We are conditioned soul, bound soul. We are not free. We think that we are independent, we can do anything, but in reality, according to Bhagavad Gita, according to spiritual knowledge, we are not free. We are bound by the rope of three modes of material nature, which controls every human being. The spiritual knowledge, Vedic knowledge, is coming down from the Lord Krishna himself, who is the transcendental spiritual master of every human being. And from Lord Krishna it is handed down to bona fide Guru Sishya Parampara, succession of Guru Sishya Parampara. So one should not accept the Bhagavad Gita, one part of Bhagavad Gita, and not other part of Bhagavad